Make this foot mask and see the results. Start by applying toothpaste to your feet. Watch what happens. This method is incredibly simple and budget-friendly. Squeeze toothpaste onto your heels. It works as an exfoliant, gently removing dead skin cells while disinfecting and softening your skin. Sprinkle about a teaspoon of turmeric over the paste, then add the same amount of baking soda. Baking soda has antibacterial properties, soothes tired feet, and promotes relaxation. Next, take a piece of lime and squeeze the juice onto the mixture of toothpaste, turmeric, and baking soda. Rub the lime into your heels, applying more pressure on the rough areas. Leave the mixture on your feet for 15 minutes. Afterward, wipe off the residue and apply a moisturizing cream to enhance and maintain the effect. This simple home remedy is highly effective and affordable. It softens the skin and provides a relaxing treatment. Try it and enjoy smooth, refreshed feet. Apply toothpaste on your nails. You'll be pleasantly surprised by the effect. It's a method for healthy and strong nails, both on your hands and feet. Toothpaste will brighten the nail plate and remove discoloration from nail polish. But that's not all. Mix the toothpaste with another product for an even better effect. Prepare salt and pour 1 tablespoon into a container. Salt contains many trace elements that strengthen the nail plate and accelerate its growth. Add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste to the salt. In addition to removing discoloration, toothpaste has antibacterial properties. Pour 1 tablespoon of warm coconut oil, you can also use olive oil, into the mixture. The oil will nourish and moisturize the nails and the skin around the nails. The final ingredient is 1 tablespoon of warm water. Mix all the ingredients into a uniform mass. Welcome to my website. How do you take care of your nails? Let me know which city or country you're watching from. If your nails are in poor condition, apply the mixture daily for a few days. Gently rub and massage the nail plate. This will help remove impurities and eliminate bacteria and microorganisms that can accumulate under the nails. Leave the conditioner on for 10 minutes. After this time, you will see the effects of this extraordinary mask. Perform such treatments regularly. Repeat them after a few days' break. Your nails will become stronger. They won't break easily. Stains, discoloration, and signs of fungal infection will disappear. This is one of those methods that are not expensive, but effective. Good luck. Wrap your feet in aluminum foil. Although aluminum foil is mainly used for baking or storing food, it turns out it has other uses too. Many people complain about cold feet in the fall. To quickly warm them up, you can try the aluminum foil trick. Take some aluminum foil and wrap it around your feet. The foil traps heat and helps restore your natural foot temperature overnight. Remember, aluminum foil has 2 sides: shiny and matte. You should wrap your feet with the matte side facing inward, as it retains heat better. Let me show you another method to keep your feet insulated. Take an empty milk carton, open it up, wash it, and let it dry. Place your foot on the carton to measure your size. Cut it out to create an insole for your shoes. Now just place it inside your shoes, and it will be perfect for wearing outdoors. With these 2 tricks, you'll keep your feet warm all the time. Don't overpay for a pedicure at a beauty salon. This simple trick from our grandmothers softens foot skin without a foot file. Prepare 2 drawstring bags, ensuring they are large enough for your feet. Pour half a cup of vinegar into each bag. Acetic acid helps regulate the pH of the foot skin and has antifungal properties. It also helps eliminate pathogens that can cause yellowing of the nails or cracked, discolored skin. Insert your feet into the bags and add half a cup of warm water to each bag. Keep your feet in them for at least 20 minutes. Vinegar is also excellent prevention for those dealing with corns and warts. Additionally, it helps eliminate unpleasant odors. Regular baths curb foot perspiration. Acetic acid acts like a treatment at a cosmetologist's. It softens calloused skin on the heels and bunions. Without using a drill or file, you'll get rid of tough skin. Your feet will be soft and firm. Repeat the process daily until the issues disappear. It's the best natural solution for common problems. Add lime to your Nivea cream to give it properties comparable to luxurious cosmetics. While this recipe may sound strange, I guarantee you'll start doing it yourself. Lime has many uses for both home and health. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamins and minerals. The vitamin C in lime has antioxidant and brightening effects. It also stimulates collagen production. When combined with Nivea cream, it creates a product that saves you both time and money. To half a jar of Nivea cream, add about 1 small teaspoon of lime juice. Then, add 2 tablespoons of powdered milk, which contains natural lactic acid, providing hydration and exfoliation. Mix well. Also, add just under a small teaspoon of petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly locks in moisture, making the skin more hydrated and elastic. Mix everything together. This combination of 3 ingredients creates a fantastic cosmetic. Apply this mask to wrinkles or dry spots on your skin. Gently massage it in and leave it on for about 20 minutes. Regular use improves the skin's texture, giving it a fresh, youthful appearance. This mask can be used for many purposes. Apply this to your hands, and in 5 minutes, they'll be as smooth as after a salon visit. Start by sprinkling sugar on your hands. Its fine crystals help remove dead skin cells. Next, add instant coffee. The caffeine in coffee stimulates microcirculation, reducing puffiness and improving skin elasticity. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon over the sugar and coffee. Lemon juice brightens the skin and helps diminish discoloration. Finally, add a bit of toothpaste. Each ingredient in this mix offers unique skincare benefits. Gently massage the mixture in circular motions for a few minutes, especially on areas with drier or rougher skin. The ingredients will have time to penetrate, providing extra benefits. You can also use this scrub on other areas that need brightening and smoothing. Use once a week, and your hands will look 10 years younger. For best results, follow up with a moisturizing cream to lock in softness and hydration. Cut the cotton pads in half and place them in the fridge. The next morning, you won't believe the results. Use regular cotton pads that you usually use to remove makeup. Today, I'll show you another use for them. Take scissors and a few cotton pads. Cut them in half. Pour a bit of green tea leaves into a glass. Pour hot water over them. Do not brew with boiling water. Green tea contains many vitamins. Loose-leaf tea, not tea bags, has more health benefits. It has anti-atherogenic and anti-cancer properties. When the infusion cools down, prepare a small bowl and pour a few teaspoons of tea into it. Add a small amount of coconut oil. A bit at the tip of the teaspoon is enough. The oil will dissolve in the warm tea. Coconut oil has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antiviral properties. Place the cotton pads in the bowl with oil and tea. When they soak, place the bowl in the fridge. This way you can store them longer. Stretch the soaked pads before use and apply them under your eyes. Leave on for 20 minutes. Dark circles under the eyes will disappear. Such a mask stimulates blood circulation and moisturizes. Use regularly every morning or at night, and you will be pleasantly surprised by the results.